Hi, welcome back to our next training session. I am Mitendra Kumar Shah, Pharmaceutical Compliance Consultant, cGMP Trainer and Auditor from NADH plus GXP Compliance Services. Today, we will discuss about the computerized systems. Let me ask you one question. Have you evaluated computerized system as a common problem in recent FDA warning letters? There are a lot of observations related to computerized systems which are directly linked to data integrity failure. Due to all these observations, many organizations are putting efforts, time and money towards validation of computerized systems. Still, let me tell you one thing, that after putting all the efforts, time and money also, all these organizations cannot ensure the cGMP requirements and hence prone to get further observations with respect to computerized system. So today I am here with you for discussion on inspection readiness for computerized systems. Before moving ahead, I would like to tell you that the keys of inspection readiness should be ensured on the basis of documented evidence, either through validation procedure, protocol or equivalent documentation. So let us start with the 10 keys on inspection readiness for computerized system. Considering the importance of this video, I would like to request you to watch the video till the end. The first key is the list of computerized systems available at site. This list should include a complete list of cGXP computerized systems available at site, the identification of cGXP category and cGXP risk should be based on risk assessment. The next point is inventory of the computerized systems. It means to verify and maintain the inventory of the cGXP computerized systems, which includes the hardware components, cables are properly identified, installed and labeled. The new computerized systems installed or changes in the existing computerized systems since last inspection. The dormant systems used at the site. The dormant system means systems which are not used for routine operation and control purpose. These systems are normally used for retrieval of the historical data only. The third key is validation of computerized systems. The validation documentation should include validation master plan versus validation plan. It is nothing but the documented strategy of a computerized system validation in a separate validation plan which is specific for specified computerized system. User requirement specifications, functional specifications and technical specifications of the system are internally approved and that they are in line with the user requirements. Supplier test documentation and the supplier delivery documentation if applicable. Risk assessment and cGXP risk classification. Design qualification report if applicable. Installation qualification testing plan and report. Operation qualification, user acceptance testing plan and report. Performance qualification, traceability matrix or equivalent. Validation report authorizing the routine production use of the system. Data migration plan if applicable. Decommissioning plan or system retirement plan if applicable. Finally, validation master report versus validation report. This means once validation activity is over, the validation master report or validation report should be prepared summarizing all validation documentation compliance, deviation and risk communication strategy. The fourth key is change or deviation management. Ensure that all changes and deviations are managed in accordance with the procedures. Ensure that all open deviations, corrective and preventive actions and changes are actively being addressed in a reasonable time frame, or prepare a compliance based rationale for why they are remain open and not closed. The next key is training documentation. Ensure that all cGXP system users and the validation team have documented evidence of their system specific training. If this cannot be produced, a rationale explaining sufficient system experience and competence should be prepared. Next is backup and restoration. It includes the formal procedure and ensuring how it will be helpful during disaster recovery. The effectiveness of the process also need to be evaluated. The next key is access control. access to computer room, server room, and other locations associated with the computer infrastructure and control. Also, there should be control on performing specific functionality to complete their assigned role. Each role or privilege and associated functionality should be clearly defined. The next key is management of remote access. The firm should have control and procedures for managing the remote access. The firm should be cautious about allotting the remote access. The vendor should not have free remote access and for the cGMP computerized system. The ninth key is data protection. The data protection includes protection of the data from potential viruses, protection from fire or other natural calamities. Protection of data specifically important in case of open computerized systems where virtual storage like cloud services are used. The last key of inspection readiness for computerized system is periodic review. Here, the firm should ensure that the documentation supporting periodic review for maintaining validation status is available. Just a quick recap, the 10 keys of inspection readiness for computerized system includes list of cGMP computerized systems, inventory of cGMP computerized system, validation documentation, change or deviation management, training documentation, backup and restoration, access control, management of remote access, data protection and periodic review of cGMP computerized systems, etc. Hope you understood the basic requirement for inspection readiness of computerized systems. So if you are on the way for facing the regulatory audit, or you want to evaluate your current computerized systems, or if you are preparing a compliance report to the observations, or you need any specific training, without wasting time, you can contact us through the numbers or the email displayed on the screen. We provide audit and compliance services which include all these services. Due to some time or financial constraints, if you cannot attend our in-house training or workshop, you can learn multiple cGMP topics from our all videos. My basic purpose of preparing these videos is to provide a free learning platform. Hence, I request you to share these videos to your colleagues so that they can also get benefit with these videos. Further, you can subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get notifications about our next videos. The subscribing YouTube channel is absolutely free of cost. If you are interested in the topic, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much and ensure all-time compliance.